Alright, now this is part I lost track, but this is the tarp material that goes under the driveway. Under the driveway. It goes down first and then goes the stone, apparently. That's a lot of tarp. The crushed stone is up there in their other truck, and this machine takes that stone apparently and crushes it. That'll be very cool to see. Maybe not so cool to listen to. That's pretty cool, isn't it? Appreciate your patience, by the way, to my subscribers and potential new subscribers to SE Custom Designs. I do tend to be long-winded. I'm working on not being so long-winded. And I don't really have an editor. I am everything. So I am very impressed with how folks edit their videos. Very impressed. Apologize for that. All right, so we'll go ahead and end here. I'm just going to go ahead and walk to the back. I specifically asked for a red carpet. Good morning, by the way.
Yes, good morning.
Please let me know if you want water, coffee, all right?
I'm good, thank you.
Okay. Yeah, I like serving, so.
I thought we'd be able to keep it one piece, but
Yeah.
it's softer, you know.
Wasn't the parking of that vehicle amazing? Because you stopped right at that car. The whole length, right, that you have here.
Yeah, yeah.
Right at that car.
Yeah,
you
yeah.
stopped. So,
Yeah. I paced it off anyway. So it's actually where I put the skid steer is where, you know, that's where it came into play.
and you're United Asphalt, correct?
Yeah.
Yes, this is United Asphalt. And if y'all want any of this video, let me know, okay? All right, next comes the crushed stone.
Okay, pull that over, Tyler.